my patio, enjoying this beautiful mid-morning. Yes, it's almost 12 o'clock. We're supposed to get some rain, but I'm sitting out here enjoying my patio, you all, and I am going to sip some wine and do my what? I told y'all we got a Temu. We got a Temu unboxing. We have a Temu unboxing. I love Temu. We have a Temu unboxing. So how is everybody doing today? So me and Coco, yes, we did. We went to the gym. I got me a good little workout. So y'all, today is day 3. So if the Most High's will, I'm going to do tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. So I have at least 5 days in the gym. Yes. And y'all see my skin? It is glistening. It is glistening. Y'all know what? I am going to have to make a run. Not today, but I guarantee you one day next week, I'm going to have to make a run to Sephora or Ulta Beauty and get some more toner because I am under a half of toner. Yes, y'all see my skin looks so good. Now, before I started using the Mario Badisco skincare line, of course, I have a healthy diet, and I just kept my face washed with just water and drank a lot of water. But using the cleansing products, pulling all of those oils out the skin, it helps a lot. It helps a lot. I love it. My skin looks good. So yes, we're gonna be popping out some videos today. We're gonna be popping them out. So my first video for today is, no, I did one earlier, so I hope y'all went back and looked at that. I did a Sephora unboxing with the razor set. Yes, the razor set. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. I saw this. I thought this was cute, y'all. Well, this is cute. And I think y'all gonna like this too. Y'all see, I got something blue. And they have some cute blue, little satchels to go with these shirts. I like different size. If I'm going to have a tote, I'm going to use the tote for travel, So, look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, y'all. Y'all love that? I love it. Okay, that's all I'm seeing. Let's see, what's on the front of this? Oh, okay. I thought it was dirty. They better not see me not dirty. They better not. Okay. Milano, I love this. I love this blue. I love this blue. So I got this in a large. So this large is gonna fit perfect. Because I love for my, while I'm sitting on my stool, I love for my, I like for my clothes to be loose. So this is perfect. This is perfect. You could get this in different colors. I decided, of course, to get the blue. And so I could wear this with some jeans. I could wear this with some jeans, shorts. Or a pair of jeans. Yeah. So I think this was like $9. I believe it was like $9. Yeah, wasn't much at all. And this is, now this is not cotton. This is not cotton. This is made of polyester. That's what this is made of, polyester. Sorry, y'all. But like a call try to come in. Yes, this is made of polyester. But I love it. But this polyester, y'all know what? Polyester is good for fall and winter times because the polyester material, it keeps the it keeps your body warm. It keeps your body warm. So thank y'all for tuning in to my Temu unboxing video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can get notified when I'm dropping new videos. And I have 2 more Temu packages coming. They should be coming next week. I should have both of them by the end of next week, and they are sets for the fall. Sets for the fall. I love sets because when you have a set, then you don't have to worry about, you know, trying to find something to match. The only thing I would buy individually is something like this, a t-shirt, something I'm going to put with a pair of jeans, you know. Yeah. So thank y'all for tuning into my channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And y'all make sure y'all go back and look at that Sephora unboxing video. Okay. Bye.